Hello everyone, this is Reggie, the washer dryer repair guy out of Snellville, Georgia, A-Team Appliance Sales and Repair. What I'm going to give you guys a lesson on today is how to change your dryer from a 4-prong cord to a 3-prong cord. Excuse the amateur camera work here. So this is your 4-prong cord. Will look just like that. Anything different isn't designed for a dryer. Maybe if you have something different, it's designed for an oven. And I believe that's about a 8 or 10 gauge wire. So that's your 4-prong, and this is what your 3-prong looks like. So your dryer should have one of these two. This is an older design. This is a newer design. So real simple. First thing you want to do is, and I recommend not fast forwarding this because there's some important tips. There are little blocks behind this that the screws into, and they notoriously fall out and will fall into the dryer. So what I have done, if you can do this at home, either put down a blanket. I have mine on a hand truck, laying flat down. That way those screws don't fall out on me. But at your home, you probably just want to lay down a blanket and just lay it flat down on the front, and be careful not to break your door handle. So basically you unscrew the screw, take it out. Now for your 3-prong, real simple. Middle wire in the middle, left wire on the left, right wire on the right. It doesn't matter which way you go, because this is power, and this will be your ground. Now on the 4-prong, this is where it changes, and this is the one, some people debate it, but I mean, this is how it goes. You want to put on a new neutral. Hang on one second, let me change drill bits and I'll show you what I mean by that. So this is your ground wire. This is connected to this middle one. It's grounding out. Now we want to change that to a neutral. So you want to take that off. Take that off. It goes in the middle. And I'm just going to just show you. I'm sorry, I got one hand here. So this one goes in the middle, and your wires go just like this. This is your new ground. So this goes here. Your green screws in here. You can match them up if you want, but it doesn't matter as long as it's on the outside. Your red on that side, your black on this side, because they're both power. And then your white is your neutral. So your white goes right here in the middle along with this wire, and you screw them in together. So these screw in together, and then your 2 power wires are both on the outside. All right, any questions, feel free to comment below. This is a quick tutorial to change out your 4-prong, your 3-prong. Now obviously if you have a 4-prong already on your dryer, some people will do they'll do this. They'll put the white and the green together, which the dryer will still work, but it's not proper. And if you have like a lightning strike in your house, something like that, you could burn out your electronics in your dryer because you have no neutral. So neutral just helps, for the extra power to have somewhere else to go if there's a power surge. And that's new code, so the latest anyway. So anyway, if you have a dryer in which this is already here, and you're changing out from 4 to 3, put your ground back and your 3-prong just like that, real simple and easy. It's hard to mix these up because it's neutral in the middle, this ground in the middle, and your 3-prong. You can tell it's the middle wire, it's not rounded, and your 2 ones on the ends are rounded. So again, any questions, feel free to comment below, and I usually get back to you within 24 hours. And as always, for your dryer heating element needs, go to www.dryertuneup.com. Thanks.